Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to send large videos on Telegram. So let's open Telegram app first of all, then open the conversation you wish to, then tap on the paper pen icon that you see at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there you can choose a video from your gallery. So let me choose a video from here. Now over here, if your video is too long, you can also trim your video according to your choice. So this is how you can adjust the length of your video and send it to your contacts. Now if you go back, you can also tap on the option of files. Here we go. After this, you'll see the option of select from gallery. Now you can select files from your gallery if you wish to, and again, if you go back again, you can also select from files from your device. Now you can select videos according to your choice and send it as a folder to your contacts on Telegram. So that's how simply you can send long videos on Telegram. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.